I guess there is one thing that I have been consistent about. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up my Hobonichi weeks for the first week of May. I'm going to be using my Gemstones collection. I have been dying to use this and I wanted to wait for the first week of May since it matches the monthly layout. Now before I get started on this week's plan with me, I wanted to show you last week's spread since a lot of you guys don't follow me on Instagram. I just wanted to give you a little peek because each week I have been changing up my layout. So if you guys want to see my finished spreads, definitely follow me on Instagram. I post there every single day. It has been so much fun trying to figure out how to use this little guy. Now I was wondering if you guys would like me to do like a 1 month update where I flip you through this planner and show you all of my spreads and tell you how I feel about this planner, what's working, what's not working, what I thought would work or what I didn't think would work. Definitely let me know down below. Now you can see I have already started by putting down the bottom washi and the top washi. Now I'm putting down my date covers now. I find it a little easier to turn the planner horizontally. I don't know why, because I feel like I never did that with my Erin Condren, but this little guy I've just been playing around with and trying out new methods. So this week I decided to grab one of the glitter dividers to divide the date covers on the left hand side and separate them from my boxes that I'm going to put down this week. Now I have put the boxes on the left hand side before, but I haven't actually used the dividers, so I thought it would be really cute to like have a border around the boxes. So I'm just putting down all of the cute little scallop boxes all the way down. Now I have put these almost everywhere. I haven't actually separated them yet. I definitely want to do that, but I have been finding that I really like to use the boxes as like a highlight of something special or something important that I did for that day, and that has been working really well. I've also noticed that I tend to only put extra stickers that are not in the kit in the scallop boxes, which I didn't know until I just flipped through the planner this month. So I guess there is one thing that I have been consistent about. So I'm just finishing off by putting down all of my checklists now, and then I'm going to put down another divider to keep everything together on the left hand side, and then I'm also going to be putting down dividers on the right hand side. This is just to create like 3 different sections so that I can use it for several different things. Now I have been using this to write down my YouTube, my designs for the week, and then also just a miniature to-do list. So this is really just like a small version of what I need to get done for the week, which is so super helpful because I have a very large list of all of those things in my bullet journal, and it's sometimes a little overwhelming to look at all of those things. So this is really nice to have like a condensed version of that. So I just put down my weekend banner, and then I also put down my weekly spread up on the top left, and then I decided to put my full box on the left hand side. Now it's not like a huge change from what I have been doing, but it is the first time that I have put it there. So I also put down the cute little planner on Sunday because that is the day that I sit down and plan for the rest of the week. And then I'm just putting down all of the little event stickers. I wanted to make sure that I covered up all of the lettering on this week. And then I also have my bill due on the 1st for my rent. And then I also pulled up the weekend banner because there was a little bit of the lettering popping through, so I decided to put down the boxes on top of that and then just put the weekend banner right back where it was. And then I also wanted to grab some of my little icon stickers since they're just a teeny little space on Saturday and Sunday. So I thought it would be perfect just to put them right next to the little boxes. And then I also wanted to use some of my flag stickers. I've been using this to highlight my new releases, but I thought it would look really cute in the right-hand corner since there was an open space there. So I'll use that to highlight my to-do list this week. I think that will be nice. And then I also have a couple more icon stickers. I put the me time on Saturday because that's usually my day off. Sometimes I'm working, but it's usually because I want to. And then I also decided to put down my Sweet Cake's birthday to actually highlight my new releases since I figured balloons, parties, yeah, that'll be nice for new releases. And then I also put down my binge sticker because usually that is when I need to chill out and watch YouTube or TV. So then I'm just finishing off with writing in my to-do list and my design and YouTube up top. I decided to try and bubble letter. I have been trying, guys, to hand letter and make a point at getting better at it. I know it's not perfect, but I'm still really enjoying having fun with this. So before I go, I totally forgot. Someone mentioned in the last video that my Hobonichi plan with me was the camera was a little too far away. So I did zoom it in this week. I hope it is a little bit better. Let me know down below if it's a little too close now or still too far away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's plan with me. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!